guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new video, different than the usual cooking, because I decided to collaborate with a girl that I follow here on YouTube and I really like. Her name is Katrina and she's on YouTube like SubBoxLover, and she mostly do subscription boxes unboxing on YouTube. That's why I love her, because I love all the subscription boxes, you know. And I contacted her because I wanted to do a gift swap and she accepted. I'm so excited because I really like this idea, and here's what I got. So I'm gonna unbox it with you, and if you'd like to see her channel, I'm gonna leave her channel link here down below and at the end of the video. And just, I have my scissors with me. Let's open the box, and obviously I sent her a gift too, and so go to her channel to see what I sent her, because I think it was very cute. Okay, I always have problem opening boxes. Okay, let's do it. So that's how it looks when you open it. There is some foam here. Okay. Oh, there is a little letter that says Livia, and I'm gonna read it. Hopefully I don't ruin it. Okay. Happy days. Hey Livia, I hope you enjoyed the items that I got you. Thank you for reaching out to me to do this collab. It's been so fun getting to know you. Also, congrats on the house and the new job. Warm regards, Katrina. Oh, and she said, P.S. I've added sticky notes to the items to explain why I choose them. Thing that I done too, so we're really like-minded apparently. Very cute. So let's start with the first item. It says, I saw this and I had to get it for you since your favorite color is blue and you do YouTube. I got one as well so we can match. Let's see. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. Maybe you don't see it in camera, but there is a little camera here. So as you see, today I'm wearing a very plain shirt. I mean, I love Snoopy, so, but I definitely gonna use this. Second present. I love simple jewelry. I hope you do too. I do. I mean, look at mine. It's just a simple part. This is a gold color necklace. Very cute. Third item. This is my favorite lip balm. I hope you like it, and put it in the Ziploc in case it opens in transit. I always need lip balm. I use so much because my lips are always dry. So I'm definitely gonna use it. It's a Lucky Lips from Hammond Herbs Cafe Vanilla Latte. Oh my god, it smells amazing. And I love the box, the little tin, I think you say thin. And I have to see, I'm looking at the ingredients, they're great. I told you I'm trying to be a little bit more careful with the products I use, but it looks great. Moving forward. Enjoy a nice relaxing bath with these salts or use them as a foot soak. I love bath. I love bath. So it's a Pacifica Rose and Tea Aroma Power Mineral Bath Salts. Let's open them. Oh my god, they smell great. I really love rose. And they look so cool. I love it, thank you. Let's see what's next. I know you love skincare and hand treatments are fun to do. You can't do a lot when you wear them, so it's a good time to relax. Thank God, I really need to relax, especially with my daughter. Restoring hand treatment. Oatmeal, almond, and a honey. I love it. Oh, so there are gloves that you put on and you have to keep for 20 minutes. Spa life. I'm gonna use them. I just started working, for the people that don't really follow me or don't know me very well. After having my daughter, I haven't been working for more than a year, and now I've been working again as a pastry chef, and my hands get super dry, so I'm definitely gonna use them. Next, I guess we have another shirt. Yes, because I really love blue, and the sticker says, since your favorite color is blue and you love stripes, I thought you would like this shirt. She really did her work, like her research, good, because I love stripes. I mean, I'm surprised today I'm not wearing stripes. I really love stripes. cutie, cute shirt. Thank you. Next, she got me so much stuff. Germans love to bake using vanilla sugar. I know that, I know, because I work. Now you're gonna find something new about me. When I used to live in Manhattan a couple of years ago, I worked in the German consulate for more than a year. So I know a lot of German recipes now. I don't know if you've tried it before, but figure you may have fun baking with it. Thank you so much. I love this brand because we have it in Italy too. Actually, I think it's here too. So I'm definitely gonna use it with my baking. Maybe in one of my next recipes. Next. So many things. I love to open this. It feels like Christmas. These sheets mask with capsules are so fun to use. Oh my god, I love these kind of things. They're like face mask. So it's, I think I saw these like in, I don't know, in some store. It's Kawa, the brand, capsule mask set. So it's 3 masks, hydration, brightening and firming, made in Korea. And they look so cute. Very cool. Next, this Hunter Schnitzel. Yes, I know Schnitzel because I work at the German place. Packet. So wait, I'll start again. This Hunter Schnitzel packet is yummy German dish and it's great on any night when you need to make dinner fast. Wow. I'll try it. I mean, many nights I don't have time to cook, so fix and fresh. I always like to try new food and I know what schnitzel are, so. Next and last thing, so I know what this is too. Yes, because I work there. This would go great with the Hunter Schnitzel, but it's also yummy, quick German breakfast. It's called Rosti. I think that's how you pronounce it, Rosti. I'm sure I'm pronouncing it wrong in German. I think they're like, I didn't used to make it, but they're like potato pancakes. So like potato, they're cooked and like sliced and fried on a pan. I think that's how you explain it. And they were so good. We used to do it at the German consulate. I didn't used to make it, I was doing more the baking, but they were so good. So I'm definitely gonna try them. And that's it for the box. It was so fun. I'm so glad we decided to do it because I always love to open subscription boxes that I order, but it's definitely more fun to look for like items for someone you know specifically and to get items for you. Like all this stuff, it was so me, so I'm very happy. And again, if you don't know who she is, go see her channel. She's very cute, she's very sweet, and her videos are super interesting. So thank you again for watching, and if you like this video, as always, put a like and a comment down here. I'll see you very soon with a new video that is probably gonna be last month favorites or another recipe. I have to figure it out. Enjoy your day. Bye.